Is this plantain? Is this burnt beans? I'm wondering. It's none of that actually. So today on Queenie's Backyard, I'm going to show you guys how to make honey garlic shrimp. But before that, let me just have a taste, just a little bit. Okay, yeah, let's get down to business. So for this, we need the fresh shrimp, soy sauce. I'm using the light soy sauce here. Honey, of course it is honey garlic shrimp. The garlic, I'm using a clove of garlic. You can use 2 if you like garlic that much. Some salt and a little bit of pepper. So we mince the garlic, that's cutting it in little bits, then get the soy sauce or the honey garlic sauce ready. So we're using the soy sauce. I'm putting 1/3 honey, and of course adding my garlic. You can add ginger, you can add onion, you can add whatever you want, but come on, it's honey garlic shrimp, so those are just the 2 main ingredients needed. So I have my assistant here who helps me stir the sauce mixture. Like I told you in previous videos, you stir it well so that the honey just doesn't stay below. So we add, I add few spoons of the sauce in the shrimp to marinate the shrimp for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can marinate it for longer, say 2 hours or 5 hours depending, but since we are using it now, I'm actually just going to marinate it for 25 minutes tops. Marinating it infuses the flavors of the sauce into the shrimp. Now that I'm done stirring, taking that into the fridge. So we have our hot pan drizzled with a little bit of olive oil. I'm using 1 shrimp to test run, and yeah, it's hot enough. Then I'll add the remaining shrimp. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share too to your friends and families. It goes a long way for me. Thank you. So while doing this, a little fun fact about shrimp. Shrimp is actually high in protein, selenium, vitamin B12, iron, phosphorus, niacin, zinc, magnesium, and a whole lot of nutrients. It's also a very good source of iodine. Iodine is required for proper thyroid function, and it's good for the brain too. Shrimp is also a good source of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acid. It contains an antioxidant which is called astaxanthin. Yeah, a mouthful, but the antioxidants, like we know, antioxidants are actually good for proper immune function. This astaxanthin is actually an algae component which the shrimp consumes, and it helps protect against inflammation in the body and also reduce radical damage in your cells too. This astaxanthin, oh my god, is a mouthful, is also the reason why shrimp has this reddish color. Astaxanthin too has been known to be beneficial for brain health and heart health too. So if you notice, I didn't really add so much salt because soy sauce actually has salt in it. But yeah, I'm generous with the pepper because I love pepper though. If you don't love pepper, just well, a little bit is okay. While talking about shrimp, I won't forget to also speak on shrimp allergy. Yeah, some people are allergic to shrimp. So, if you are allergic to shrimp, well, try to avoid shrimp. You can use this recipe for some other seafood that you are not allergic to. Oh, yeah, and the stuff that causes the allergen is called tropomyosin. It triggers allergy. So our shrimp is well seared. I'm going to add the sauce. Today I'm using a proper amount of sauce, and we continue stirring it till it thickens due to the caramelization of the honey. Trust me, at this point, your kitchen, in fact, the whole house will be smelling like probably a Chinese restaurant. Well, the taste is better, trust me. So now it has reduced and the sauce is a bit thicker. I actually would not want the sauce to thicken so much. So yeah, like this is okay for me. So here we have the honey garlic shrimp. I used bell peppers to garnish it, and I'm going to serve it with a plate of steaming rice. Like you can see the steams all around. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.